Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about the best travel credit cards. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to explore the world, having the right credit card can make a big difference in your travels. So if you're ready, let's jump right in. What is a travel credit card? A travel credit card is a credit card that offers rewards and benefits specifically for travel. These benefits can include things like free flights, hotel stays, lounge access, and more. Why do you need a travel credit card? Having a travel credit card can save you money and make your travel experience more enjoyable. For example, many travel credit cards offer free flights, which can save you hundreds of dollars on your next trip. Additionally, travel credit cards often offer lounge access, which can be a real lifesaver when you're stuck at the airport for a long layover. What are the best travel credit cards? There are many great travel credit cards to choose from, but here are a few of our favorites. Number 1. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. This card offers a sign-up bonus of 60,000 points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months, and 2x points on travel and dining purchases. The points can be redeemed for travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards program or transferred to one of Chase's many travel partners, including airlines and hotels. The card also offers primary rental car insurance, trip cancellation/interruption insurance, and travel and emergency assistance services. The annual fee is $95. Number 2. Platinum Card from American Express. The Platinum Card from American Express is a premium travel credit card that offers a wide range of benefits and rewards. With this card, you'll get access to over 1,000 airport lounges worldwide, 5x points on flights booked directly with airlines or through American Express Travel, and 1x points on all other purchases. The card also offers benefits such as a $200 annual airline fee credit, a $200 annual Uber credit, and Hilton Honors Gold status. The annual fee is $550. Number 3. Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. The Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card offers a sign-up bonus of 100,000 miles after spending $20,000 in the first year or $50,000 in the first year, and a $95 annual fee waived the first year. You'll earn 2x miles on all purchases, and the miles can be redeemed for travel through the Capital One travel portal or transferred to one of Capital One's travel partners. The card also offers benefits such as a global entry or TSA pre-check fee credit, travel accident insurance, and 24/7 travel assistance services. The annual fee is $95. How to choose the best travel credit card for you? When choosing a travel credit card, it's important to consider your travel habits and preferences. For example, if you're a frequent traveler, you might want a card that offers lounge access. If you're a budget traveler, you might want a card with a lower annual fee. It's also important to consider the rewards program and what kind of travel rewards you're looking for. And there you have it, our top picks for the best travel credit cards. Remember, the right travel credit card can make a big difference in your travels, so choose wisely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. See you in the next video.